Let's see, guys. Let me check the task. What's the status of that? Lots of the people are sending late due also. I'm accepting that. 47 only. I don't know when it will reach 100. Slowly the things will become, a program will become little tough also. So I thought initial time people will do 150, 200 and slowly it will reduce to 120 and 130. यहाँ तो starting ही 40 से हो रहा है. Slowly the zero will be there. Try out, guys. Try out. Right? Okay, fine. Let's start our class, guys. So today we are going to see the programming terms from whatever we had done from past 5 days. I mean to say, let's start with the concept. Everybody, please concentrate. It's very, very, very important for you because these days you are done with the theoretical and practical of that theories. But today I will implement it via programming. Right? So please concentrate here, guys. And write it. हाँ रख दो मेरे सर पे रख दो. Now let's see, guys. Let's create here package. Online people, please be active, guys. Create a package com dot day 14, right? Day 14 is there. Now, first of all, let me write here one class which is known as a requirement. Yeah. In this class, we will gather the requirement and we'll see what functionality we can achieve. Now think about it right now, guys. Yesterday, what we had done? Yesterday, we had done about the bean cycle, nahi, life cycle, bean cycle, wah. Bean life cycle, right? So tell me, how many phases are there in bean life cycle? So what? First one is what? Container started. Container started we will see as what? When we are creating the IOC container. How we are creating the IOC container? Tell me, guys. Application, context, when we are writing here context equals to new class path and whatever we are writing. Then we container started, right? The next phase is what? The next phase is obviously object creation, and then the next phase is object creation, guys. Object creation means what? Our class object created and constructor executed. Object creation is there. Okay, now the third one is what, guys? Tell me. Third one is dependency injection. What do you mean by dependency injection? If we are inserting the needed things as per your word, if we are inserted the needed things for the class for execution process, can we say this like dependent thing for the class? Can we say this as dependency injection? How many type of dependency injection are there? What are the types? Setter and constructor. If we inject the dependency through in the target class through setter is known as which injection? Setter injection. And same as for constructor by using constructor. Now dependency injection carry both the setter and constructor, right or not, guys? Right. Okay, after that the next one is right now which one? Post construction. What do you mean by post construction logic, guys? Post construction logic means what? Any logic or things which you want to execute just after the object creation. That's why which method is needed? Init. Why not we can do with the constructor on any place? Because of the repeated execution. Or you can say that we had yesterday seen if the rectangle one is there, some functionality should be gathered through constructor, some functionality gathered through setter. So I mean to say the example yesterday we had seen, if we have the length and we have the width here, right, width here, and suppose if we are finding the area and we are writing here length into width, if we are writing this one, guys, suppose length will be initialized through constructor and width will be initialized through setter, and if we are performing this logic inside constructor, maybe the things will get as 0 because at the time of object creation constructor will execute and we are only initializing the length. As a result, if we are finding the area length into width is still 0. As a result, we are getting the 0 as answer. This is just a logic, guys. This is not a formula. It's not like exact this only needed. No. Now that's why which method is there, guys? Init method. For these terms, all these terms, you can say that init method for writing some particular logic and all those. Now understand here. A lots of doubt yesterday came in your mind. Today, let me resolve that doubt. And after that, what will happen? Our bean class is ready. Bean class is ready means right now all the object is created, all the dependency injected, all the resources which I want is all opened. Now by using these all things, my class is ready. Now I can use my class. Now after that, what? Application running. Application running means right now if you call the methods, if you call the toString, it will give you the answer, exact answer, right? And then at the last, what will be there, guys? What was there? Pre-destruction. Obviously, pre-destruction logic. What do you mean by pre-destruction logic? Anything which will any logic which you want to execute before destruction of the object, that is known as pre-destruction. What is the method, guys? Destroy method. Destroy method is there. Great. And after that we had seen, right, container close. Container close. Now lots of the people have the doubt in the mind, sir, if we are writing here init method. Yesterday people had asked me, let me show you. This will be the common doubt for every person. यही लिया था क्या? हाँ. Now, sir, here you told that init method is there. Where is the main method, guys? Let's see. Now, this is the main method. I hope, yeah, this is the main method. If I'm running this main method, guys, let's see. Okay, right? And we'll see. We are getting all the answer yesterday. Now, the people have the question, what? Online people, please listen. Definitely these question arises in your mind as well. Now, maybe the possibility you will think, sir, init method I am calling, right? Destroy method I am calling, right? How it would be the lifecycle method? Lifecycle method mean to be IOC container, will call it. But here you can see I am calling it. Here you can see I am calling it. Here. Then sir, what is the benefit? Let me tell you the benefit of this one. Do you know, everybody knows servlet? Servlet, everybody having an idea? Okay. Now, tell me guys, right now in servlet, everybody please concentrate here. Only for one word. Now in servlet, lifecycle method is same like init method? Right or not, guys? Okay. Now, service method is there for processing the logic. Destroy method is there for cleaning up the process, you can say that. Okay. Now, tell me, guys, init method right now is for what purpose? Any setup configuration? Guys, any setup configuration, I mean to say, when init will execute, when servlet will create the object of your class? CCC class A, right, extends from HTTP servlet. Suppose HTTP servlet, if you are writing here, means right now I'm using all the protocol of HTTP. Yes, exactly. Now tell me guys, init method will execute when servlet will create the object of my A class or not? Yes. Now I need some logic, our custom logic. My custom logic, I mean to say, suppose I have some functionality which I want to execute after object creation. So in servlet, can you tell server, suppose there is a method M1 where you had written the functionality, everybody concentrate, where you had written the functionality. For which functionality? Some functionality which you want to execute at the time of object creation only. So now can you tell the servlet that servlet execute my method at the time of init? I understand init method is called by whom? In servlet, are you calling by yourself? No. Are you calling by yourself? So if you are not calling it by yourself, so can you call M1 method from init method? Again, Baba, missing the terms. Hell no. See here, guys, see here, see. Hold on, see. I need this display method should be executed at the time of after the object creation immediately, na? That's why I can write the display method inside init method or not? Understand? I can write it in the same manner. If I tell you that tell servlet to execute M1 method at the time of init method, can you do? No, sir. Because this init method called by whom? Servlet. This init method directly called by servlet, but right now in the student class, this init method is called by whom? Who had written this? If the programmer had written or the developer had written this thing by its own, he will get the functionality to add their own logic also, na? That's why right now the benefit you will get in Spring. See, this Spring is only calling it. If I will not call this method, init method will execute? No. Then sir, in the same manner, display method also I will not call, it will not execute, na? Yes, exactly. But init method meant for a life cycle method right now. And let me show you one thing. Okay, hold on. Keep concentrating in your mind right now because it's very critical and important topic as well. Now, right now I'm writing. Now tell me, which will execute first? Guys? Which will execute first? Destroy method, right? लाइफ साइकिल ही चेंज कर दिए तुम लोग. Are you seeing one thing? We are writing anywhere, doesn't matter. After dependency injection, this post construction logic will execute only. Means it is called by whom? Me or IOC container? Is it a proof? If chalo, hold on. I have two methods, guys, in my class. This is very important. That's why I'm making it like that. M1 is there. Everybody please concentrate here, guys. M1 is there. And the next method is M2 is there. Now tell me, in which order it will execute? Top to bottom, right? M1 and M2. Called by whom? Called by developer. Obviously. M1 is executed, or I need M1 should be executed first, and M2 will execute after that. Right or not? Okay, if I shift this method, which is going to be called first? M2 first, M1 after that. But can you see right now, if I shifted also, first which method is executed? So called by programmer or called by IOC container? That's the proof or not? You got a solid proof or not, guys? First of all, this is called by IOC container. कहाँ गया? अरे कहाँ बटन? Got it? Nice question, by the way. Thank you. Because this question can be arised to lots of the people. Right? One more person had asked one question here yesterday. This question arises in your mind, guys. Please convey this to the lab people also, or wherever you are practicing. Please convey this message to them also. I mean to say, ask them also, so that you will get clarity immediately. If this type of, don't think this as a silly question, right? Okay. Now, fine. Now let's see, guys, everybody. So we understood that this is called by which? This is called by IOC container. Now one people had asked me. Now what is the benefit? Benefit is, sir, I can write the custom logic inside my class. Means I need something which should be executed at the time after the object creation. So I can provide it. Two benefit. One thing called by IOC container. Second thing, in servlet, can we add our own custom logic? No. But in Spring, can I add my custom logic? Yes. So I hope you are clear with this. The second thing, one person had asked, Sir, if it is init method, I can call from this place also. Obviously, you can call, right? You can call here bean dot init. You can call it. Then what's the benefit? The benefit is tomorrow if the method change, some other logic will come. Then again you have to modify the source code now. And we are learning the Spring for just making it as loosely coupled. We are not doing any certain changes in my class. You can see from past 10 days just we are writing IC container executing. Everything we are doing changes in which file? XML file. Have you observed it, guys? Previously you are doing the changes in where? Source code. In your class. In your main method. But right now I am doing the changes only and only on XML file. So I hope this clarity you got, right? So we got the idea for all those things. These are some miscellaneous things which you should have to know, and you have to be the idea about all those things. So let's start with the first programming of the day, which is very, very important. And let me tell you the scenarios, and then we'll work on the programming. I hope online people, you are all clear with that. Yeah, great guys, great. And I hope I'm not boring today, right? Online people. No, sir. No. आज ठीक धन्यवाद चलिए गाइस sorry switch हो जाता है context, right? You know, okay. So first of all, let's start with the terms. Requirement. So requirement is what we had done with A, B, C and all those guys. No need. Let's go for some real time example. Can we? So there is one question I had seen. I meant to say previously I had seen that question also here. This is actually a good question, and this related to one work which I had done like 6 months before. One tracking system is there. Like you can see, let me show you the scenario. Suppose right now, hold on, let me create the scenario for you so that you can easily grasp it. Google map of Hyderabad. Now think about it, guys. This is the map of Hyderabad. Suppose right now, think about it. So what you are doing, suppose let's Flipkart will be tough for you, warehouse will be tough for you. Okay, take hospital. Yeah, fine, take the hospital management. Everybody see here. Now suppose this is a map for you and you are in particular area. Suppose we are here, I think yeah, we are here, I think in the H place. Ready. We are here right now. Oh, याद हो जाता है route, right? Office route. I'm connecting with my office route where I'm. So that's why. So right now you can see here we are in this place. Suppose we are in the exactly in this place we are. Suppose here. Now you are finding out one person is there who have some medical emergency. See the requirement, guys. I'm creating a requirement for you. When based on that we'll see. Now suppose one person is there who has a medical emergency. So he had opened one app known as which is some Medicare type of app is there, right? You can say that Medicare type of insurance system or app is there. Now what will happen? Everybody concentrate. Now what will happen? That person need a hospital detail. Everybody understand? I think this question you had done in core Java somewhere, but let me relate because this is related to my scenario. So one person is there, right? One person is there who want what? He had opened the map. He had opened the like you can say that app of some medical app. He had opened where the map will be shown. Right inside that map, there are several hospitals present inside that area where the area you are. Right, several hospitals. Right, hospitals are available. Right, several hospitals are available in that area with some particular code. Every particular area have pin code, right? You know about the pin code, right? So suppose as a pin code type, every area have their particular hospital here. Now suppose as a pin code. Now he is searching the hospital. One person is searching the hospital, right? Inside the map with the pin code. So right now when he is searching the hospital with the pin code, he is getting the hospital name. Everybody understand? He is getting the hospital name as well as, everybody see, as well as pin code or hospital code he will get. Hospital code he will get. Suppose while searching, the result he will get as hospital name and hospital code. Now that person want, let me gather the detail regarding the hospital name. So whatever the hospital name he will get, he want to fetch the detail. He wants to fetch the detail of at that hospital. Detail means what? Like what type of treatment could be there, right? Right, whom to contact, right? What is the contact person so that I can book the appointment, right? And you can say that the name of hospital will be there, as well as you can say that the code of hospital, that type of things will be available, etc. Things will be available. Online people, are you clear with the requirement? What is the requirement? A person is there who is operating one medical app where that person had opened the map for searching the hospital. So as a result, if he is searching with the pin code, everybody understand? If the searching with the pin code, he is getting the hospital name and code. And then with this name or with this code, he want to fetch the detail of the hospital. Suppose I am writing here Aster Prime. Suppose. Now you need the detail of the Aster Prime, right? You will go for the particular website or not? Yes. But this app only will manage everything. Oh, project है 10 मिनट में requirement थोड़ी समझ आएगा. This is the project basis. In 10 minutes only you will not get the requirement, right? Huh? Emendi, tell me, क्या हुआ? Why you are so stuck? Emendi means क्या हुआ? You know, I am talking to them. All the people are there, right? Where are my Telugu bros? Raise your hand. Illa unnaru guys. All well? Huh? No? Right. Measure. See. Chalo. Dekho. Fine. Let's say guys everyone. So everybody see this requirement first of all. Super sir. Okay. How what guys? You all are my friend. Let's see. कहाँ थे हम? भूल ही जाता हूँ. Suppose here guys, I am writing here map and then I will search somewhat. I will zoom it. I will get Aster Prime. Then I will search here Aster Prime Hospital, and then officially I will go here Aster Prime Hospital like that, and then it will Aster Prime Hospital. I will get the all the scenarios you can see, book appointment and our specialties and all those things we are getting now. We are going in one website or we are going in different website. Huh? Are different website we are reaching right now. Just we are searching in the browser na. But this app will do what? Yeah, exactly. This app will do what? कहाँ गया app? जो हम लोगों को बनाना है. Where is that app? Yeah, this app will do what, guys? This app will only redirect you for everything. This app will only book the things. Book the appointment for you. Fetch the map also. Two different things. Here we are fetching the map. We are gathering the requirement, and then based on pin code or name, we are searching the detail. We are booking the appointment. After that, by going different website or via call. But this app only do the same thing. That's why these days this type of application are very, very, very heated in the market. You know, district, how many things you can do, right? You know one thing, previously like a district there is one more app was there, same like district, but it's not worked. The advertisement done by Amitabh Bachchan, where just dial is there, something. Huh? Everything you are getting in the same place. You know, but the only issue is you cannot redirect or book it from that one. You just see the functionality then. But you can see district app right now. Now, everybody understand? I hope everybody understood this requirement, right? Shall we start the program, guys? Now this, we will create one app. From one app only it will gather all the information. So for this one, what I need one hospital class, suppose. Hospital class I need. One hospital class I need. One more class I need as service provider. Service provider. Service provider means what? You can say that it will provide the service for this hospital. It will provide what? Service for this hospital. And IOC container will manage all the things here. IOC container will manage all the things. And the answer we are going to get from my app. A small thing, I cannot do a project for you right now because you are in the basic. That's why I just taking the glimpse of that project. Right? Let's see. Now, first of all, again, remember the words, guys, glimpse and all those, right? Oh, how many words industry word you had learned? One, bottleneck. Remember? One more, bandwidth. Bandwidth, right? Yesterday my manager told me I have doing someone. See, I'm working for that many years, though I'm getting that type of words. Yesterday my manager came and asked me, any luck? He had given me some work for do, and then in the afternoon and evening while reaching back from the lunch, he asked me, any luck, Prashant? Luck? It's mean any update, any solution. These are the words. So remember these words, guys. Any luck? Like that. Luck क्या? अब तो ऐसा थोड़ी तुम कार्ड खेल रहे हो. You're not playing the card, right? Any luck will be there, something like that. They will ask you. Right? Lots of words are there. Please gather the words so that you will not. Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, actually, because of that only. It's only sounds good. That's it. Apart from that, nothing is there. So let's create a class, guys, everyone. So first of all, I'm going to create one class. The class name is what, guys? Hospital class. Everybody please understand here. Hospital class is there. Now, inside this hospital class, I'm creating few variables. Remember one thing, very, very important and crucial things are there right now inside this. Now I'm creating here private string, and let's give some hospital name, guys, suppose, or hospital code. Or hospital name first of all, we'll write, after that we'll see. Hospital name is there, and then I'm writing here private string address, obviously. Private string address, no address, we are fetching it from map here. Why we'll give the address first of all? Yeah, directly your name, address, ID, bus, pin code. Now think about it. Wait a minute, guys. Let me analyze it. What could be perfect for you? So suppose hospital code will be regenerated. I am not going to generate the pin code, na? It will be automatically generated. Okay. So what I will do? Okay, fine. So let's add string. Now, contact person. Suppose the contact person is there. Inside this hospital, one contact person whom I will contact and book my appointment, right? And if I contacted that person, definitely the website will give me or in the mail or in the WhatsApp, we will get the number of that person for contacting. Contact person number will be there. Great. And then suppose right now I'm writing here private, and there could be a multiple treatments available in the hospital, right? Or this hospital will only work with eyes? No, na? I mean, different zoners are there. Different varieties of doctors will be there. Different areas doctors are there. So for storing multiple, okay, tell me, for storing multiple value without size and type limitation, what we are going to use? Online people, for storing multiple value without size and type limitation, what we are going to use? Collections. Collections, right? Now for storing, now think about it. Analyze it, guys. You just only know about the doctor name can be duplicate. नहीं हो सकता ना. एक Dr. Prasad is only the Dr. Prasad, right? After that, the God has stopped making Dr. Prasad, right? There will be different name, right? Multiple names, right? So for unique and duplicate also. So if we want to store multiple value without side, namaste sir. Sir namaste. हाँ नमस्ते. वो भी नमस्ते बोल रहा है. I seriously बोला भाई. I said namaste, said yes. अरे बैठिए सर बैठिए. अरे that namaste is different namaste. That namaste is the reply of your namaste. That one like if somebody will tell namaste, namaste. Like your attitude, bro. बहुत ज्यादा आगे चले जाओगे ऐसा रहोगे तो. So now I need unique and duplicate also, right? So let's see, guys. List we can take, right? So list we had taken for multiple treatment here. Now suppose the treatment is a type of string, and what we are writing? Treatment. Give the name as treatments. Treatments means what? Inside this list we can store multiple treatments, things like ENT, right? You can say the cardiac, right? And all those are सुबह सुबह का क्यों उस बीमारी का नाम लेते हो? चलो, right? Will not take some these diseases which will divert our mind, right? We'll see only small disease only, general, like coughing and sneezing type of thing, right? Don't go with big things. बोलो. Sorry. तुम्हारी मर्जी. चलो. Set will be there. Okay, great. Treatment could be what you can say that unique. That's why we can take it in a set. Doctor could be duplicate. You can take it in a list. Okay. Now think about it. Right now you can take the doctor. Otherwise, when XML itna bada ho jaye. Okay, fine. Let it be. Now what I will do, guys? Right now I'm writing here private. Wait. Int and pin code or the code of hospital. Hospital code you can write it. It's better name. Hospital code. Everybody online people, please concentrate. It's a program. That's why you will getting little bit of details here, right? Where to use exactly. Right now, just gathering the information. Okay, fine. Now, tell me, guys. Now I'm asking online and offline, both people, guys. I'm seeing your chat. Please tell me right now. I need hospital code. Okay, tell me, how many hospital could be there? One hospital or multiple hospital? There could be multiple hospital present. Now, for multiple hospital, there should be a multiple code also. Different or unique? Obviously, I'm a different or unique. Though both are same. Sorry, I mean to say same or different. दोनों is the same बोला है. Obviously different, right? Now suppose if I start this hospital code with one, if I will create 5 object of hospital, every object will get it what? One only. It will become same or not? I need something which will reflect to all the objects, and if the changes happen, the changes could be reflect to all the object. What is the thing present with me in Java? Obviously, great. Very good. We have static. Static will be loaded at the time of class loading. And if we modify the static variable, it will reflect to all the static, all the objects. Yes or no, guys? Obviously, right now you can see here, if I modify it, it will get all that. That's why right now I am not going to initialize this. I will going to initialize it like this. So private, right? Private static int, and we will write here one code, and this code will start by default from 10, suppose, or 50 or 20, whatever the number you want to take. If you are so static, you can take 11. Like, sir, मैं कुंडली वगैरह बहुत मानता हूँ, so let's start with a sub number that is 11 or 21 or 51, your wish. Now suppose here 50 will be there, suppose. Right now we are done. Now need, understand, now the requirement, this information we had gathered. Now I have to judge. This class is created by whom? Tell me, online and offline people. This class object is created by whom? This class object created by whom? By me or IOC container? IOC container with the help of? With the help of? JVM, exactly. Now, definitely if the IOC container is doing all those things, he will follow the life cycle process. Okay. In the life cycle process, obviously, right now the first process is container start, and the second process is right now you can see as constructor using fields. And suppose let's write here public. Public will be there, and I'm writing here hospital. Everybody concentrate. Hospital I had written, and right now what I'm doing. Okay, object is created. Now the next thing I want to do is dependency injection. But few functionality people want to do via constructor injection, and few functionality people want to do via setter. Now among them you should have to decide which things should be executed first. This is the decision you should have to make, that which thing you want to add through setter or which thing you want to add through constructor. Now analyze it and tell me your view. I need your view. As per you are thinking object is okay. Constructor will call when the object is created. Uto. Bring the water and then see the things. सोने आते हो यार, तुम ही सोते हो हर बार. रात में फोन में कम लगा करो. Let's see. Now everybody see here. Now right now, tell me, decide it as per you. The constructor will execute at the time of object creation. I need something there only. At the time of object creation only I need something. Among them, which are the most necessary thing as per you? Obviously, hospital name. Hospital name. Because if the people will fetch, the first answer people will get as what? Name only. Name only, right? That's why the first thing which I am going for the constructor injection, obviously guys, yeah, reply please. Understand, reply wrong also, not having an issue. Now I'm writing here hospital, and I'm writing here in string, what is that? Hospital name. Hospital name. Hospital name is there, and then I'm initializing it, this dot hospital name equals to what, guys? Hospital name. Okay, great, fine. Now the next other values I want it to set through setter. So I'm writing here source generate setter, generate getter and setter. Okay, done, and generated. Right, generated. Now everybody concentrate here. Now after that I need what? ToString. So I'm going here source generate ToString using fields, right, and generated. Now my class is ready, but now the main concern is there with us. Life cycle also followed? Yes. Now tell me one thing. I need a logic. Now among them, again you have to decide. I need a logic which I want to execute just after. Don't see the mobile, see the screen. Don't see the mobile, see the screen. Keep your mobile inside, see the screen, please. Right? Please. Whoever are watching the mobile in backside, please don't watch it. See the screen, guys. Very important thing. You will get to know how to use these all things. Now, I want here what? Everybody, please concentrate. I want what? Among them, I want some functionality. Listen carefully. Which will execute just after object creation. So any functionality which will execute just after object creation is known as which logic? Post construction logic. Am I right or not? Backside. Are you clear? Post construction logic is known as this one. Now tell me, I want among these value which should participate in post construction logic. Tell me. Think about it. Among them, as per you, which could be participate in the post construction logic? Name we had given at the time of object creation only. As per the scenario, guys, everybody see, as per the scenario right now, the people will search the hospital based on. So the hospital name we had initialized through constructor. So only the one more important thing which will done after the object creation immediately is code. That's why right now everybody understand. I will write one init method. Everybody concentrate here. I will write one init method. Right? The init method will be what? Public. It will not return anything. Right? Init will be there. Right? Init will be there. And inside this, I'm writing this dot. Everybody see here. This dot hospital code. This dot hospital code equals to code plus plus. Tell me, guys. Now what will happen right now? This code plus plus is what type of thing? Static or non-static? Static means if the code plus plus I will do, code plus plus will become 51 na? Right now code plus plus will what? It will initialize 50. And this is pre-increment or post. So first in the post it will initialize and then it will increase na? So 50 will be initialized for this one, and this will become what? 51. For the next hospital the code will be what? 51. For the next hospital the code will be what? 52. So we are getting the unique number or not? Yes. Right? Now see here. Now we have done this. Now everybody understand. We had completed this one. Now we have to go for service class. So let's go for the service class here. Right? Let's go for the service class. Everybody please concentrate. Service provider. Service provider. Who will provide the service for the hospital? Which is internally in my app. Service provider is there. Class service provider. And this provider, tell me guys, this service provider will contain one hospital or multiple hospital? One or multiple? Multiple hospital. Right or not, guys? Right or not? Now tell me, hospital name will be unique or hospital name can be same? Obviously, in Aster Prime is not there in apart from Hyderabad. It's not in Bengaluru. It's not in Chennai. Apollo is not there all over India. So can be duplicate, right? So in the same manner, this service provider can contain multiple value without size and type limitation and can able to store unique value. Which collection? Which collection? List contain here what? Hospital. Are you understanding? Slowly are you understanding? Right? List contain the hospital, which is data. Now, these data, IOC container will manage it. not me. IOC container will manage it. Now let's see guys here. First of all, definitely we have to provide a service provider. Let's write a service provider. And what we are going to do? We are going to write here dependency injection, either setter or constructor. So let's write here setter here. Everybody please concentrate. Setter is there generated. Online people, are you getting guys? Everyone in online, please reply. Everybody is active. 98 people are there. 7 people not came to the class. Wow. Okay, fine. Fine. Please listen carefully. Now let's see guys, everyone. Now set value is there. Now I'm writing a to string. Wait. To string not needed. Not needed. Now let's go for the functionality. Everybody please concentrate. Let's go for the functionality. Now tell me, this service provider will provide me what? First time if I will search the hospital, it will give me the hospital name and code. So that's why I will write here one functionality or one method which is known as public and get name and code. And suppose get name and code. Get name and code. Get name and code is there. Now tell me, this name and code will return what guys? This name and code will return one laddu to you, right? नाम लिखा हूं भाई, फिर भी you are not telling. What it will return? Which name? Hospital name and? For this much also you are thinking. Are you serious guys? How many values are there? 2. Name and? Is there anything in Java which can accept this 2 value at the same time? Obviously, very good. Who's that? 2 value कौन लेता है? Who will take 2 values? As key and? Am I right? That's why this hospital right now is returning name and code will return the format of map as string and as integer. Done. Now first functionality, when map will be search out, it will give you name and code, hospital name and code. Now based on this one guys, based on this code or based on this name, you want to search the hospital or not? Detail. Right now what we had done explicitly by going in by opening the new website of Aster Prime. This thing I want to do it from this place only, either from name or either from code. So right now suppose if we are writing here, everybody see here, if I'm writing here public and I want get detail with code. Suppose I'm writing int hospital code. Everybody see here, int hospital code if I'm writing. Now think about it. If the code will be match, then only you want to return the hospital, na? Means the return type of this method is what? What you need? Get detail means you need hospital detail, na? Hospital detail is what? Hospital detail is all these things, right? So it is present in which class? That's why you want to return which class? Exactly. Now you want to return here hospital. Now 2 functionality is there which will perform some operation. Right? Which will perform some operation. Now think about it. Now everybody concentrate. Now these all things will be managed by my app, my medical app. Right? My medical app. Where I am not going to create the object of all those things. Who will create the object of all these things? IOC container. IOC container is there guys. Wait 1 minute. ये उम्र हो रहा है क्या? Chalo, let's see guys. Application context equals to new class path application context. So this is what guys, IOC. Okay, great. Everybody concentrate here. Now think about it right now. Now I have to create here one configuration file. So com where we are day 14, right? Day 14 slash what is there guys? Application hyphen context dot xml. Okay, let it be application hyphen context dot xml. Why I'm teaching you this program? Because I'm going to modify this program in annotation, in data JPA, in MVC, in REST API, and we will have a full-fledged application type of things. Right? That's why it's just a starting. Understand this. Now, see here. Now all things are done. Now what will happen? I have to create one application hyphen context.xml. Now everybody see. Now I'm going here and I'm writing here application hyphen XML file, and I'm writing here application hyphen context dot xml. And if you work with me parallelly, then only you can reach to that phase. Otherwise, no way. Directly I'm telling you, no way. That if you don't practice it, you will not get a single thing in the advanced versions. That's why from starting only keep practicing. Take it again like a lightly word, but you will face the consequences. You can see what will happen. If you will not do, your motivations will be lost totally. Your confidence will be lost, and maybe you cannot able to crack the interviews also because of that lost confidence. So don't take my words lightly guys, I'm telling you. Let's see. Now I have to provide here how many classes we have guys. Tell me how many classes we have. Hospital class is there, service provider is there. So I need the object of both the classes. Yes or no? Exactly, yes, I need the object of both the classes. Okay, hold on guys. Now service provider is there. Okay, we'll write the logic, don't worry, we'll write the logic inside it. First of all, let's write here object creation. So first of all, there should be a multiple hospital na? Okay, right now I'm writing one hospital here. So I'm writing here bean is there. Okay, inside this bean I'm writing one hospital as id equals to what is the guys, what is there, hospital. Suppose there hospital, one hospital, and I'm writing the class as, everybody see, com dot day 14 dot, tell me what is the class name, hospital class is there. Okay, great. Inside this we have some properties, right? So you can see in the hospital class, everyone please concentrate, in the hospital class we are going to do which injection? Two injection, one constructor, one setter, right? Okay, I'm going to say multiple setters will be there obviously. So first of all I'm writing here properties. क्या मुंह क्या देख रहे हो बताओ? Watching my face. What we are going to write? Constructor, args, right? After that value, reference. Huh? Why not reference? Why not reference? Arey, why not reference? Hospital name is there, yaar. Obviously that answer I need, yaar. Why not reference? Because it's a type of, string is a primitive. String is a primitive. Exactly right now. It is created by IOC container internally. As you are not creating the object of list, as you are not able to create the object of set, in the same manner can you create the object of what? String? You cannot. String contain multiple value or single value? Huh? String contain multiple value or single value? Single value. A, B, C, and D. I want all the things A, B, C, D. Can we say this as character? Can we say this as combination of character? So if the combination of character is there, there is a multiple value or single value. If the multiple value is there, so string is taking multiple value or single value. But you are writing only one. Internally, string having the char array. String internally work with char array. Guys, these are the interview question. I'm not asking for the time pass. Internally, string have the char array. Where in char array, multiple character store and you will get it as an object format. Read this. These are the interview questions on Java. Right? See here. Now I'm writing here value. Everybody understand. Everybody understand. Values are there. Right? Only 5-10 people I'm seeing they are taking the notes for writing this interview question extra. You don't need. Oh, you know everything. Okay, fine. Great. Great. Day one only I told that some extra and miscellaneous question can be delivered from my place. You should have to be in that zone so that you can take that notes as a question. But how? Everybody is genius. Nice. Continue, guys. Let's see. Now I'm writing one Astor prime. Everybody see here. Astor prime. Astor prime is there. Excuse me. Let's see. Astor prime is there. Now after that, we are going to work with setter injection. Everybody concentrate. For setter injection, what we are going to write? Property. Property name. Now, right now, everybody see here. Concentrate, guys, everyone. Property name. Now I'm writing here contact person. Fastly we'll do it. Now, fastly we'll do it. Application context, and I'm writing here what? Property name. And the value is right now some ABC. Suppose the name contact person name is there. The next one I'm writing is that property name. And right now, let's go for service, not the hospital. Let's go for the contact person number. Okay, great. Contact person number. Let's go to our properties file. Okay. Let me cut this one. Now property is there, and after that I'm writing here property, and after that I'm writing here value. So value is there as some 1 2 3 4 5 something like that number will be there, right? And then property name equals to the next property is what, guys? Treatment. Guys, treatment. Now I'm writing here what? Treatment. Suppose treatment is written, right? And after that I have to create one more bean. I'm writing here ID equals to list, like list. Tell me, and the value equals to. Tell me the value equals to Java. Java dot lang util dot list. Is it? And then I will put the value as property name treatment value equals to list. Tell me, can I? Why? We don't know what value I want to set. We know the value, that is string, but we don't know the variable name. We don't know the setter name. We don't know the constructor name. That's why the Spring had provided one special tag. What is the tag? So we are not going to write this one, right? We are not going to write this one. We are going to write here what? List is the tag. Inside the list, we are going to write here what, guys? Obviously, that's what I'm checking out. पीछे कहाँ है भाई? They are paying half pay की हो गया. That's why you guys are not interested, no na? They are utilizing every penny of their rupees. What I had written? Why you are telling me and collaborating with me with the help of list only? Where is your concentration, guys? Lakshmi Narayan, you also. Here. All the people. Sunita, Satish, Junaid. If I commit the mistake, who is that? Saket. Array can store only similar type of data, but string store all type of data. Why you are giving this answer right now? प्रोसेसर बहुत स्लो है भाई तुम्हारा, बहुत ज्यादा पिंग हाई पे चल रहे हो तुम. चलो लेट्स सी. Now everybody see here. I have to write here what, guys? The expectation is like that, but you are not achieving. I don't know what happened. Again, we have to write here what, guys? Value. Value will be treatment name, right? So I'm writing here ENT. And I'm writing here what? Values as cardiac. Cardiac. Right? Cardiac. Right? Suppose this like that. Now this is one hospital where Aster Prime is providing me these particular functionality, like you have a well set of doctor for ENT and cardiac also. Right? Now we will get one more hospital. Obviously there is one more hospital will be there. So that's why one more hospital means one more object. IC container will create. For one more object, one more bin will be there. So same bin I am going to write here, and I am going to write here instead of Aster Prime, I am going to write here the next name as Yashoda. Yashoda, right? Have you seen a new Yashoda nearby High Tech, guys? Arey baap re baap. It's a 5-star one. Your whole lifetime investment can deliver there. That much of. If you see that hospital only, you will feel that Bhagwan, haath par tod do, I will manage, but don't put me in that place. Like that. I'm just kidding, guys. Now everybody see here. Now, right now DEF I'm writing, and some number is there, right? Some number is there, and the doctor is right now inside. This is general physician. General physician, and then the next one is neuro. General physician and neuro is there. In the Yashoda hospital, this type of treatments can be given. Okay. Now, right now, I am giving one more. Now, let's start here. Now, wait. For a plan, I had not written anything. Wait. Right now, I'm writing here Apollo. Right? XYZ. And some contact person is some different one. Treatments are, you can say that eyes specialist or gastro. आओ 30 के बाद तब ये पता चलेगा. You cannot able to eat anything. The things will be here only. A little bit of oily if you are going to eat, it will be here only. And you will get the pain like this place. And if you get the pain direct in the heart, that will be, you will think that my last day. Let me call my mom. मैं तुम लोग को बहुत अच्छे से रखता था, like that. So this type of things is going to be happen after 30. Oh shit! I had revealed my age. Chalo, let's see. So who don't know, yaar? It's not the big deal. Chalo, let's see. Now, right now, तुम लोग को क्या लग रहा था? मैं कितना हूँ? 50, 20, 10. हैप्पी बर्थडे बोल दो आजी. Now let's see. इन सब में बहुत मजा आता है. अभी डिपेंडेंसी इंजेक्शन पूछ दूंगा बस. Right. Let's see, guys. Everyone, concentrate here. Now we have three hospital are there, right? Gastro and all those things are there. Now suppose 3 hospital are there with the treatment. Now I'm going to write here. Everyone concentrate here. Mark ID as unique. Yeah, I will. Definitely. The best. Definitely. Now, right now, I'm writing here PIN for hospital service. Now, I'm writing here PIN here, and I'm writing here a class known as, right now, everybody concentrate here, known as ID is equals to hospital service, right? Hospital service, and class equals to, tell me, what is the name? Service provider. So, com dot day 14 dot, what is the name? Service provider. Service provider is the class, guys. Service provider. Don't provide only. Provide, I think. Provider, not provide, I had written. Okay, fine. Now, I want, okay, guys. Now, I want to inject. Now, you can see in service provider, guys, we have which method? I mean to say, what thing we have right now? Hospital. Arey yaar, what thing we have to add? Inside the list only, na? Inside the list only, na? Now tell me how I can inject